fun time, and today is Science Day! For today's experiment, we have 2 experiments. We are doing elephant toothpaste and slime. And I also have a surprise for you. Today we are meeting my little brother Zion and his world. Let's get down to it. So now we are doing elephant toothpaste. So first thing you'll need is a cup of water. It has to be warm, but probably get your parents for this. It has to be on the microwave for 30 seconds. Then we have some yeast to make it. Then we have a spoon to mix the yeast in the warm water. Then we have some food colorings to put in this water. Then we have some soap to put it in the bottle. Then we have some peroxide to put in the bottle as well. Let's get down. So first thing I'm gonna do is pour some peroxide. Let's open it. Alright, hopefully I don't make a big mess. Oh. Alright. Oops. The peroxide. Somewhere you have to stop because it got everywhere. So let's do some soap. Alright, let's pour some soap. Oh, whoa, bubble! What bubble? Alright, I think that's enough soap. Alright, so let's do some food color. I did already yellow with the slime, so let's go with blue. Or maybe red. Both! Right. Whoa, guys, look at this. It's like dripping blood. Alright. I think I like this blood color. So let's add some yellow to make it more even brighter. Alright, I think that's good because we don't want it to turn black. Alright, so now my favorite part is the yeast part. I'm so excited for this, guys. So let's open the bag. You don't want to spill any yeast because it's very, very, very strong. Also, guys, smells really good. Oh my god, look at it. You can't really see, but it's like little crumbs. So cool. Alright. Pour all. Alright, now we're gonna mix it. Whoa, it looks so cool. It's kind of like sewer water. Ew. Nasty. Alright, we're gonna make sure all of it dissolves because you don't want it stopping when it's exploding. Alright guys, so we mixed it all up, so now is the exciting part. So let's move all these because we don't want to get them messed up. Let's move them all to the side. This 2. Alright, so we're gonna move all of these to the side because we don't want to get them messed up. So, also the spoon. So, hopefully I don't get blown up too. So let's pour it. I'm really excited. Alright, whoa! Look at it! I want to touch it. Guys, this is amazing. I did not know it turned out like this. Let's go to make slime.
Fun facts!
Fun facts! Fun facts! Guys, it is fun fact time! Yay! Fun fact number 9. Did you know that tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur? How cool is that? Guys, it is time to meet my little brother Zion. Let's see what experiment he's doing. Thank you, Nubian. Welcome back to Slide Wars, and we're doing one experiment. It's a living room experiment. Baking soda, food color, and spoon, and full paper and lemon. We have a baking knife. Make sure your mom and down around. So we're putting our food colors in here, and then we're putting the spoon, and then we'll go get some baking soda and put it in. And I think it's gonna be like a rainbow split like a volcano. First we're doing green inside of the color. See all the green. And then next is blue. Go in line. And then we're gonna do over here. And then we're doing over here. And then we're doing this yellow one over here. And then we're going to do like the baking soda. And it's white. The baking soda is not white. I get it for free. Oh. I'm gonna put some more. Loading. Yes, it's bubbling. Oh. Yeah, it's bubbling. Squeeze some lemon juice and see what happens. It explodes. It's not about the food coloring, it's about the lemon. Ah! It's coming out. Exploded. It's like a volcano. Make sure to get some lemon and put it on the other lemon. Get to explode. Oh. Let's try spin, and there it is. It's a fun project. You're up, Nubian. Okay, guys, now we are making slime. First thing you'll need is some glue, some food coloring, and some activator, which is Tide. These two so we can use the food coloring. Let's get down to it. Oh, hard. Okay, let's pour it. Okay. I think we're done with the first bottle. Let's move on to the second one. Right. It is really hard to open these guys, so try. Okay. Whoa! It is a satisfying sound. Ooh. All right. Now, which color should I use? I think I should use yellow because yellow is actually my favorite color. Whoa, I thought you just... Okay. Whoa, that looks like orange. I think that should be good. Now we op this up, put that there. Now, let's mix it up, guys. Whoa, this is cool. Look how, wow. See how it got yellow so quick. This yellow is really nice. Now we're gonna add some more yellow because I want it really yellow. I think 2 drops. 2 drops should be enough. If you want to add more, you guys can add as much food coloring as you want. Just don't make a mess. Because food coloring doesn't get off easily. Alright, I think it's time for the Tide now. So you want to use just a little bit and ask your adults to pour this in for you because you don't want to make a mess. Whoa, I think that's enough Tide. Just a little more. Alright, that should be good. Now let's mix it up. Whoa. Really cool. We're gonna keep mixing until all of it forms together. You want to add just a little more if it still looks kind of gluey. You want to make sure it kind of forms together. Looks kind of nasty. Ooh. You want to touch it just to see if it's right. It's still kind of gluey. Ew. You want to keep mixing. It's going to take a long time. Scientists, guys, some experiments doesn't turn out the way how you think it was. But I added a little bit of water and it's still kind of liquidy. So we are gonna add some glue and some food coloring. Oh, got all over my hands. Let's add some food coloring. I know it might turn out black, but we're gonna see about that. Let's mix it up. Oh my god. Alright guys, so now let's add, oh my god guys. Alright, so let's add the glue and hopefully it works. Ooh. So satisfying, right guys? It's really hard to get out. Alright, I can't get the rest out, so we're just gonna mix it up and hopefully it works. Guys, it did not come out good, so I think this slime is eternally a fail. I really wanted to come out nice and slimy and all over my hands, but see, liquidy. I wonder if we added too much Tide or water. Which one? Make sure you like this video. Guys, do you know what time it is? It's time for Nubia's dance party, so stand up and let's get that blood flowing. Let's invite Zaya to